So what are the key steps Suresh Gyan Vihar University takes to ensure students are campus ready?
From the day one, we start working on their professionalism, start working on their attitude towards the industry. We start making them ready along with their communication skills. Come in the second year, they go for the trainings. They feel what exactly the scenario in the industry, how the hotels work, what is the life of the hotelier. When they are once into their final year, so we take their interviews, take care of the group discussions, and regularly this is being done on the weekly basis.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the yet another series of this SGVU Spotlight Inspiring Journeys. And today we have a very special guest with us, Mr. Siddharth Meena, Assistant Professor at Hotel Management, Suresh Gyan Vihar University. He has some great insight about hotel management industry and as well as something to share with all the aspiring students who are willing to join this industry. So thank you so very much, Siddharth, for joining us.
Hello, thank you so much.
Thank you so very much for doing this with us, and thank you that you are here today with us.
Pleasure is all mine.
So this hotel management industry, whenever we talk about it, it's always very fancy, very, star-studded, 5-star vibe whenever we talk about it. So I have a couple of questions to you regarding the same, because this particular industry, I have learned this, that whenever we talk about hotel management industry to anyone, for example, the student I'm asking or any other person that I'm doing hotel management, so they're like, they will not consider this as a whole soul course. They will consider this more of a hobby or something, but they don't have any idea about what is going behind the scenes. So I wanted to ask a couple of questions which is going to target those audience who feel that is not going to be happen when we are entering into a hotel management industry and we are not going to establish a career out of it.
Sure.
So my first and foremost question is the pain point. And that is that what kind of companies usually participated in the hotel management campus drive?
Usually, we are one of the best hotel chains of the world participating in the campus drive here at the SGVU. That are I can count a couple of them are the Ubrois, the Ubroi group. That is one of the best chains in the world.
Absolutely.
And we are having the best hotels of the world, the Rajvilas Jaipur. That is the world #1. Jaipur here is in Jaipur, and they are participating, and recently they have come for the OCLD. Our students are being sent for the OCLD, that is the Oberoi Center for the Learning and Development, and they do take part in the management training programs, and once they are incorporated, they are being absorbed as the assistant managers or the sous chefs.
Wow.
After once they complete their 2 years and the 1.5 years of the training period, and they are being absorbed as the training assistant managers, and later on they move up the ladder and they become the corporate chefs, the GMs, the best of the F&B managers in the hotels. Apart from the Broys, if I talk about, we have the Taj. It's one of the best known, strongest brand of the world.
Absolutely.
We all know that was the strongest brand for the 2022, 2021, and in the strongest brand of the world as well as the across India. And we all know about the Mr. Ratan Tata ji, what he has done for the society and for all the humanity. Absolutely. So it belongs to them, and they are coming here for the management training program, and a lot of our guys are being selected in the management training program from here during the campus drives. Apart from that, we have the ITCs, the Indian Tobacco Company, that is coming for the campus drives, and our students are being absorbed there. They are doing great at one of the best positions so far. They are the chefs, they are the general managers. Apart from that, we have the Marriotts. That is one of the biggest hotel chain in the world at the point of time. They are coming here. We have the Fairmont, that is by the Accor group. Fairmont and the Raffles, they are coming. We have the Intercontinental Hotel Group. So these are all the hotel chains which are being coming. Apart from that, we have the airlines. We have
airlines as well,
yes. So the people, after doing the hotel management, they can try their career in the airlines. Aviation industry is one of the the booming industry at the moment.
Absolutely.
It is doing great, and people can join as a cabin crew, as the air hostess after doing the hotel management degree from the Gyan Vihar University.
Wow.
Yes. Apart from that, we have the cruise lines. So we have the few of our even faculties, those who are the ex-employees of the airlines and the cruise lines. So they give their vast experience to the students, and they make them future ready for their careers.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So those who are watching us right now and they think that hotel management industry isn't the big career we are looking for. So this is the answer to everyone, I think. And as Siddharth rightly mentioned, that aviation industry and hotel management industry are like growing industry.
Yeah.
And it's growing really, really fast. And I think you should definitely book a seat for it, I must say.
Yeah.
Okay. So one thing, whenever we talk about campus drive, there are certain things which student needs to be prepared with. So what are the key steps Suresh Gyan Vihar University takes to ensure students are campus ready?
Like we do there are several points we take care once the students when they initially come there in their first year. From the day one we start working on their professionalism. We start working on their attitude towards the industry.
Very small points.
Yeah. And apart from that, we start making them ready along with their communication skills. We work on their communication skills. We work on their personality development. We conduct, once they are come in the second year, they go for the trainings, for the industrial trainings, for the outdoor caterings, and they attend few of the vocational trainings as well. We send them, they learn the things there, and once they come back from there, so they are more confident. They feel that what exactly the scenario in the industry, how the hotels work, what is the life of the hotelier, and when they are once into their final year, we try to make them ready for the coming campus drives.
Oh, wow.
So we take their interviews, we take care of the group discussions, and regularly this is being done on the weekly basis. So that whenever the campus drive comes, whenever the company is coming for the placements, they are not just they are not puzzled or they are not being selected somewhere. We want that our placements are 100%, our training records are always up to the mark.
Absolutely.
So these all things are the one which are really helping our students to move further and do great when they reach in the industry. And this is really great for our alumni, and they are definitely working greatly for us.
Absolutely. So I think that you are very, very deeply connected with the students, because every line, every sentence, you are dedicated to your students and they are talking about them, their growth. So I think it's a great thing to say. And by the way, you and me were talking behind the scenes, and
Yeah.
you talked about some great festivals. So I want you to tell everyone that
Sure.
what's your favorite cultural festival. I know about it, but tell everyone at Suresh Gyan Vihar University and why.
So I think I take pleasure while I discuss all these things.
Yes.
And what I remember is like as such we have a lot of cultural activities across the whole year, and a lot of events are every week or every 10-15 days we are having some event here and there. Across in the cultural events, the academic events, we are having some outdoor events as well. But mine favorite is the one of the biryani battles.
Wow.
That is the chef competition. We take care. We hold that every year in the month of the March, and in that we like the students from the various universities across the Rajasthan. They do participate in this event, and the best among them are being selected as the best chefs, and they are being awarded and they are being certified as the future chefs for the industry.
Wow.
Apart from that, like we take care of the world record as well. We are making the few years back we have made the world's heaviest and the largest Shahi Tukda. So that is being recorded in the Guinness Book of World Records and India Book of World Records.
That's huge.
So that's great, and it
That's
was a
huge.
great effort by the whole hotel management team.
Yes.
And that has been recognized greatly by our patron as well, and greatly appreciated by all the media and all.
Yes.
And it was a hugely widely coverage by the media.
Lovely. Firstly, kudos to your team and the entire Suresh
Thank you
Gyan
so
Vihar
much.
University's team.
Thank you, ma'am.
That's very, very indeed a proud moment for everyone.
Thank you so
I
much.
think that. But one thing always stands out, and one question always comes in mind whenever we talk about curriculum of hotel management.
Sure.
It's kept on changing. That's the same question for the law industry as well, because
Yeah.
every time there's a new law coming in, then how we are dealing with the theoretical part and book-based knowledge. So the similar question to you was that how the industry trends are incorporated in the hotel management curriculum.
More of us these days, like we are focused more on these climate change,
Yeah.
More on these, on the global warming. We all are like making these things, the earth, like not a good place to live on. The future generations are really at their bad, at their not at that good side. The
I
things are
agree.
not happening. Things are not happening that way that it should have been.
Yeah.
So, as a hotelier, as a academic, as a part of the academics, as a part of the hospitality industry, we are making our students a bit sensitive towards the Mother Earth. We are making them sensitive towards the environment. We are making them sensitive towards the usage of the material they are using in their kitchens.
Yeah.
They are using the materials in their food and beverage services. They are using the various things in the room service, either in the house, either in the housekeeping or anywhere other department of the hotels. We make them aware that what are the do's and don'ts for the environment. Apart from that, we give the like slogan, the reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Yes.
This is what saves the earth and the environment at the same time, and it will really greatly helpful for us in the futures generations to come.
That's very well said, very well put together.
Yeah.
And I think this particular point we all should be taking care of.
Yeah.
And that's how we will grow.
We are working on the on the carbon footprint as well. These hotels,
Wow.
these guys are they are learning these things while on the training, and they hotels are really, they're working very hard on the carbon footprint, to reduce the carbon footprints. They are learning these things basically during their trainings, and then incorporating those things while they're working, when they're joining the hotels as an employee. That's really like helpful to all of us.
That's very impressive. And why I only selected these questions is because I know that how glorified this industry is and how beautiful this industry is. But people out there having very, very less knowledge about this industry, and you being at this side of the table,
Yeah.
I wanted you to talk about this industry in a very, very larger scale, and you did it so nicely.
Yeah.
So thank you so very much. I think those who are watching us live right now, they will be having a great idea about hotel management industry now, that it is not limited to some social media pages. It's limited.
Definitely, yeah.
It's limitless, I would say.
Sure, sure.
So thank you so much, Siddharth, for doing this, and thank you for sharing some great insight. I hope that you had a great time too.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so very much. And that's it for this particular series. And we'll definitely meet you with one more episode of this series called SGVU Spotlights Inspiring Journeys. And those who are watching us live, the admission season are open at Suresh Gyanvihar University Hotel Management section. So if you are thinking a career in 5-star, so then this is the right platform for you. Stay tuned for more series.